Alrighty, so everyone knows I have kittens. There's 7 of them. I'm going to show a video because I don't want to flash them. Right. Also, I talked to a vet and I am allowed to touch them, but I always have to clean my hands before I do. And I already did. There's the pretty mama. Hi, Tofu. Hi, pretty lady. Those are the babies. Let's see. This is the one I like the most. She's so cute, girly girl. No, it's okay. Their eyes are still closed, but it's a little tabby. Little tabby girl. You're so cute. That's one. And then there's another girly girl. This is another one I like. It's okay, it's okay. It's all white. Little tabby tail. You're just a cutie. Yes, you are. There's 2. And then there's a long-haired one. I don't know if it's a little boy. Yes, you are. You're so adorable. It's all gray and white on the bottom. That's one of the twins right here. Hi, baby. You're so cute. There's little spots all over and little tail. And then there's the little runt. Just like their mommy. Hello, boy. Yeah. There's your little gray tabby. The little runt. Let's see which one. Oh, there's the first one that came out. Looks just like its mommy. I mean, his daddy actually with a little rectangle. Look at that, it's so cute. They're just so adorable. There you go. I know there's another. Oh, there he is. I see the other twin. And there's the other twin, where he's always at. In the back of mommy. Another twin. Here's the other twin. Oh, baby. I think that's all of them. And then there's the pretty mommy. See how beautiful this mommy is? She's such a good mommy. Yes, she is. Okay. So that's all the kittens.